Welcome to Kitech Technologies Private Limited. This is a demo of Universal Trainer Kit UVT02 Part 2. In Part 1, we saw the hardware description of the trainer. Now we will see the software installation and working of onboard application. Install the software given in the DVD provided with this trainer kit. For installation, open page number 26 in the manual. Installation procedure of Xilinx IC 14.2 software. Follow this procedure and install the software. Now plug in this daughter board to the trainer board and keep this connector CN1 on upper side. Connect one end of parallel cable to the JTAG converter and other end to the parallel port provided on the PC. Connect this JTAG to the CN1 of daughter board. Now switch on the kit. After installing the software, an icon ISE Design Suite 14.2 will display on the monitor. Double click on that. Close any project if it's open. Now we will see the application for 7 segment display. Open page number 14 in the manual, 7 segment display. This is the description, connection diagram and execution. Now click on File, click on Open Project. Select the folder where you have kept the program UVT02. Now we will select 7 segment.check. Select this 7 seg check ISC project. U1 chip select decoder. If it's not selected or else showing a question mark, then right click on that and click on add show. Now select the folder where you have kept the program. Here open LED 8x8 and select this chip select underscore decoder and open it. Here it is already selected. 7seg.behavioral module. This is the VHDL code. Now click on .ucf file. Yes, this is the pin diagram of daughter board connected to the universal trainer. Now click on 7seg.check. Right click on manage configuration. Click on run. A new window will open. Now select boundary scan. A new window will open asking to select the device. Right click to add the Xilinx device. Click on add Xilinx device. Select the folder where you have kept the program UVT02. Now select the folder of the program which you are executing 7seg.check. Select this .bit file. FPGA works on this .bit file extension. Select that and open. Device is added. Right click on this and click on program. the cable is getting connected. After the cable is connected, a new window will open showing the property name and value. Click on OK. Program succeeded. Keep the jumper JP4 on 1 Hz position before executing the program, and after the program is succeeded, this done LED will glow. We have executed the program for 7 segment. This 6-digit 7 segment will display hexadecimal value from 00 to FF. As the clock frequency is 1 Hz, we can see the output on 7 segment. As we change from 1 Hz to 10 Hz, the speed of conversion in 00 to FF will increase. Now we will see the program for push button switch. For that, open page number 21 in the manual, push button switch, the description, diagram and execution. Close the earlier open window of program succeed. Again click on File, click on Open Project, select the folder where you have kept the program, UVT02 program, select push button, then open this ISC project, click on Open. Here it is asking for chip select decoder. Right click on OK. Right click on this, add source, eight into 8 chip select. Now right click on manage, click on run. New window will open. Select boundary scan. Now right click here to add the Xilinx device. Select the folder where you have kept the program, UVT02, then push button, then select this .bit extension, click on open. Right click on the device, click on program. Click OK. Program succeeded. Before executing the program, keep the jumper JP4 on 1 Hz. Change the jumper position from 1 Hz to 20 MHz for push button switch. Now as we press this push button switch key, the corresponding LED from L15 to L22 will glow. In the same manner, one can use all the application and execute them on this trainer kit. Thank you.